So we first started connecting with the CDT here late 2015, and we started to realise, like a lot of companies, that we've got loads of data, but we didn't necessarily have all the skills to make the most out of that data. So we contacted these guys and started talking around the kinds of skills, the kinds of data we've got. Now it became apparent pretty quickly that it isn't just about handling data, it's also about statistics, it's also about the computer science background of that. And that's what the CDT do really well. They bring all three of those things together and upskill these students into really kind of employable areas. So we did some work initially with lots of data on ship tracking. So we looked at tracking 85,000 merchant vessels around the world and tracking a position every 15 minutes. So obviously that's a lot of data, that's billions of rows of data, and we just didn't have the skills to tackle that. So working with the CDT, we carried out a group project with a few students, and we were able to get some really kind of insightful pieces of nuggets of information out of this data that can help us in our business, as well as understanding how our coatings work. Now, one of the things that were really crucial that the CDT did for us, or with us, was to help us understand the kinds of skills we needed in order to tackle these kind of problems in the future. And like I said, up to this point we thought data scientists, statisticians were the kind of people we needed, but we didn't quite understand the data engineering part of it, the computer science part of it, the scalability, the big data aspects of it. So here we are 2 years later. We've done 2 group projects with the CDT. We've engaged quite heavily with them. We fund part of the CDT now, and we're also looking at PhDs, looking at master's projects that we can do with the wider Newcastle University. And that's really crucial for us because we don't have them skills in-house, and we want to figure out the kinds of skills we need, but also start to get value really rapidly.